Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let us quickly have a look at how to download the provisional as well as interest certificate online from SBI Bank. So you would have taken home loan from many banks. So in this video we are explaining the procedure for SBI Bank, where at the year end, usually in the month of December or before March, you are supposed to get your interest certificate for your home loan, which will mention what is the principal amount cut and interest cut, and you use it for your ATC benefit purpose, right? So you have to submit it to either your company or tax department so that you get the ATC benefit. So usually you approach your branch manager of bank directly and get the interest certificate for the ATC benefit. So now I'll just explain you how you can do it for SBI Bank online without visiting your personal branch. Now what you just do is you just open a Google Chrome page in your either your computer or your mobile, which way, anyway it will work. So just type in the search bar online SBI and click on the first link. It will take you to online sbi.com, where you are supposed to clicking in the login button under personal banking. So again you have to continue log on. Click on the continue login. Now you are supposed to enter your username and password. This you would have already received from the SBI Bank. Once you have enabled your online services, they would have sent you a kit with username and password. Now if you provide here and enter your username and password, you can see once you entered, all the transaction account details will be shown, and left of this page on the top you can see three lines. I have circled it. So you have to click on these three lines. So once you click on these three lines here, you can see a lot of options. In this, click on e-services. Now this will take you to many of the e-services where you are going to click on the certificates. See here, if you can see here home loan interest certificate provisional, and also you can see home loan interest certificate. Now let us see, there are other options also given. You can, like, interest certificate on deposit, your educational loan interest certificate. This also can be used for tax benefit, and some NRI deposit account things. So we are going to look at home loan interest certificate provisional and home loan certificate. Let us see what is the difference between these two. Now first let us see home loan interest certificate. When you click on home loan interest certificate, it will take you to your account details, where you are supposed to select your OD account. This is the account. So there will be loan accounts and savings account, but you should click on the OD account and enable that radio button and click on submit. So this is the interest certificate, home loan interest certificate from the bank, and your branch code, your address, the date, everything will be properly given. So let me have an quick explanation on this. So what is this says? It says period of April 2018 to March 2019. So now I am pulling the data around September 2019. So as you know, the financial year will be from April of each year to the March 31st of next year. So now the running financial year, you can say, is it is till March 31st of 2020. So but in my certificate you can see it is from April 2018 to March 2019. So this home loan certificate is just for the last year. That means we are into October 2019, but this is till March 2019. So it is the last financial year, because this is the home loan certificate you have completely paid and cleared, right? Till March 2019 you have completely paid it, and this certificate is the one it is issued the last year. And they clearly say this is your you have already paid. You have paid this much of sum as on 31st March 2019, and the repayment principal amount and interest is separately shown, and also your interest rate and your total payment is shown. So you can download it. You can see here download in PDF. You can download it. Okay, now again you go back, scroll up the page and click on the certificates. we come back to home loan interest certificate provisional. So I would say this is the certificate you need for tax declaration purpose for the upcoming years. For example, for the next current financial year. For example, now I say I am in December 2019. So when I submit a provisional certificate, that means I am going to submit to tax or my company that my home loan details of interest and principal is from last 2000 this 2019 April to March 2020. This is my home loan certificate. So why it is, as you know, it's provisional. Why? Because you have not yet paid. 2020 March has not yet arrived, so you have not yet completely paid it. But you cannot wait till the period to come, because usually companies will ask for this certificate around December or so, and if you wait for till then, they would have already cut your tax, and that's again, it's a process. You have to claim it back and stuff. So that's why bank provide you a provisional certificate, because this you can show in the company, you can submit it and get the tax benefit of ATC for the current running financial year. So just in another words, you are going to submit it before paying, right? You have not yet paid completely to the bank, but still bank will say this is the expected principal amount and the interest amount this candidate is supposed to pay before, say 2020 March. So this is the certificate you need to download and submit to your company for the current financial year. Now you click on here, you can see this the same procedure. You scroll down and click on OD account radio button and click on submit. So once this is done, it will show you the details. See, you can see here almost same thing. It's a home loan certificate, your address to whoever it may concern. But the interesting part is the period here. Okay, all your sanction date, your loan amount, everything will be there. But period from April 2019 to March 2020, which has not yet arrived. So this is what you wanted. So you can submit to company. See, this is the actual repayment and this is the expected. That means till date you have paid the above amount, and you are supposed to pay 2 lakhs and change. By under that, this much is the principal and this much is the interest. So I think you all know that in ATC the interest comes separately till I think 2 lakhs you can claim, and the principal amount falls under ATC. So interest is separately tax benefit you have, right? Out of ATC you have 2 lakhs extra for your interest, and this 58,000 something goes to your ATC. So you can just click on this download PDF button. Just click this, take a printout. You don't need to get a sign from the bank, because it will be digitally generated one. So just submit to your tax authority or tax consultant or your. So when I download it, you can see here it clearly came as provisional loan certificate. You can submit it to your company, and you will get to see here this is system generated certificate and does not require a signature. So you are clear to go this. Just submit it to your company, get your ATC benefit as well as interest benefit. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Please give a like button to us. Thank you very much for this. We will be shortly updating many videos like this. Thank you.